The government shutdown is over, but its far-reaching effects mean many are still awaiting a return to normalcy. Among the cuts during the shutdown was funding for the National Science Foundation, halting one UT researcher's study on climate change. As KXAN's David Yeoman shows us, a delay in funding could put the entire 3-year-long project in jeopardy.
On those mountainsides and in those valleys, all kinds of climate history is etched into the rock.
Dr. Joseph Levy is a geologist with the University of Texas, but far from his North Austin office is his laboratory, the remote, hostile environment of Antarctica. Each year around this time, Dr. Levy and his team travel to the end of the Earth to study ice melt and its connection to climate change.
What I've noticed, though, in the last couple of years is that this ice and this permafrost, which has been stable for so long, has started to melt. And what's amazing is that it's melting faster and faster every year, every time we go and look.
But the 3-year project Dr. Levy was set to wrap up this season was put to an abrupt halt when the government shut down and his phone rang.
She said, "Don't get on that plane." And I said, "Okay, we'll wait patiently then."
With almost half of his scheduled trip already passed, Dr. Levy is worried about the impact the missed data could have on his project.
If we miss that thaw, it's going to come and gone, and that's it for this project year.
And reminds us of the far-reaching consequences of the government's actions.
And nature doesn't wait on anyone, certainly not on Congress.
In North Austin, David Yeomans, KXAN News.
And late this afternoon, we just received word that Dr. Levy and his team just received the green light to resume their research in Antarctica in 2 weeks. He's grateful that the funding is back, but says that he'll be running rather than walking to collect all the data that they need.